Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 6, 2024, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong March 6, 2024, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, March 6, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 6, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 16 million pesos. Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 106 million pesos for Wednesday, March 6, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of March 6, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.